Alright, y'all.
Y'all are trying to kill us
Yeah, I gotta stay on the road trying to pay attention to where the
to
heck we're
get
going.
the opening of Cowtown.
I don't know if you can hear me right now, but we're heading up Highway 21, going to put in at the top of Lake Wateree. It's pouring down rain. They got that hurricane down in the Gulf of Mexico right now, so we're gonna go try to catch some cats. Got kicking in the back seat. Hey, we're just gonna have some fun down out there getting wet.
I'm gonna go for Florida. I guess, yeah.
It's called the Gulf of Mexico, right?
Anyway,
Got me my lucky cowtail. That thing took forever to open. So we're gonna get out there. I don't know how much content we're gonna get because there's like I said, it's pouring down rain right now.
and John forgot his tripod
Yeah, I think I left the tripod on that dude's boat I did
that he didn't get done.
a couple days ago.
Oh, that's good. Yep.
So anyways, y'all, day number 17. We're gonna keep rolling.
Rain or time.
Keep the streak alive.
Oh, Lord. She bending.
We'll be back with y'all in a minute.
He has another one.
These things are hard to open.
I got it. You're driving.
You're gonna need to have it.
Okay, sharing is different. I think you can see yourself chewing.
That's hard. Woo! Let's slow down.
What is that?
Alright, y'all. That's my new opening.
Ring chong,
That's it.
ring chong,
Alright, y'all.
ring chong. Oh no! Oh no!
What are we rolling for right now?
I don't know. I'm just staring at your face. It looks weird.
Oh my god, guys, if y'all can see this car in front of me, I don't know what the heck they're doing. It's 55 and they're going 40.
Oh
Like,
no!
look, cars are manufactured to work in the rain.
Not if your tires are bad. Like
That's
mine
true.
were for 6+ months. They were bald. Nothing.
Yeah, it was kind of sketchy.
My oil hasn't been changed either.
I just got a new oil pan.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
No. Can I try to supply?
Oh, you need an oil?
I could have done it last night. You don't know.
Oh no, baby, it's okay.
Didn't realize it was going to rain all day long.
Yeah, he thought he was going to do an install today.